Carrot is a crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious root vegetable. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They also have a number of health benefits. They're a weight loss-friendly food and have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved eye health. Carrots are one of the most popular root vegetables used around the world. There are many ways to prepare them, such as raw, cooked or juiced. Carrots even come in many colors, such as yellow, purple, red, and white. Here are 10 impressive health benefits of carrot juice. 1. Cleanses the liver. Carrot juice can help to clean your liver from any harmful toxins. The high amount of vitamin A in carrots plays a key role in flushing out toxins from the body. It also reduces the bile and fat deposits in the liver. In addition, the soluble fiber in carrots helps cleanse the liver and colon by facilitating waste elimination. 2. Boosts immunity. Carrots have the ability to be juiced, which gives you carrots in a concentrated form with all of its essential nutrients. If you consume just 1 glass per day, it will help your immune system, help your body fight against diseases, damages, viruses, bacteria, and inflammation. 3. Increases metabolism. Carrots also contain phosphorus, which is a nutrient that increases your metabolism and allows your body to have sufficient energy throughout the day. It can also help to remove any pain or inflammation after a hard workout. Carrot juice also contains vitamin B complex, which can help to break down fat, glucose and protein in your body. Therefore, it helps your body to build muscle, increase your metabolism and lose weight. 4. Promotes heart health. Your heart health depends on many factors, including getting enough sleep, remaining physically active, decreasing your stress levels and eating a healthy diet. Carrots can help in this, as they are full of dietary fiber and antioxidants that help to keep your heart healthy by aiding in the circulation of your blood and removing any plaque from your arterial walls. 5. Cholesterol and blood sugar maintenance. Carrot juice can even help to maintain a healthy cholesterol level and blood sugar level because of its high potassium content. Also, because carrots are low in sugar and calories, it is beneficial to diabetics and can help prevent diabetes from occurring. 6. Oral health maintenance. Carrots also have nutrients that contribute to your body's oral health, such as fighting bacteria in your teeth and gums. Some of the minerals contained in carrots are antibacterial and help to prevent cavities and tooth decay. Carrots can even help to remove stains and plaque from your teeth. 7. Protects eye health. Carrots may be best known for their ability to aid in the health of your eyes. That is largely in part to the nutrients that it contains: lutein, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin. Beta-carotene is a form of vitamin A and it is essential to prevent eye disorders such as macular degeneration and blindness. Zeaxanthin and lutein are both essential in fighting against the loss of your vision due to age. 8. Glowing skin. Carrots contain antioxidants and minerals, such as potassium, which help your cells from breaking down. Because of this, carrot juice can help your skin to remain young and healthy looking. 9. Helps strengthen the bones. Carrots have a high amount of vitamin K, which helps your body to build proteins. As a result, it helps your body to process calcium, which heals your body and any broken bones faster and helps to strengthen your bones. 10. Prevents cancer. Carrots can even help your body to fight cancerous cells. After you eat and digest your food, some of the waste that remains in your body are called free radicals and they can do major damage to the cells in your body. If you do not enjoy the taste of raw carrots, here is a recipe for a delicious carrot juice as it offers the same health benefits as eating a raw carrot. Carrot juice recipe. You will need 2 cups water, 2 cups chopped carrots, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon fresh and peeled ginger ice cubes. Directions. 1. Combine all ingredients. 2. Blend. 3. Drink and enjoy. There are many benefits of carrots. What are some of the ways that you enjoy eating carrots? Share some of your recipes in the comments section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you want more health tips and recipes, please subscribe to the channel.